Ben here with Pierre Driving School, doing the lesson this morning. We're living on the parking lot here. Looking behind us, gonna take the best route ever. See, looking both ways. Okay. Yes, traffic will be backed up here on the left side. See here, can we go through here? I think we can. Okay. Paying good attention here. Making a right turn here. We're gonna continue to go. Okay, we pay attention here to the traffic on the left side is the sidewalk. It's probably humans coming. Okay. It's clear. Mirror right, shoulder right, and we continue to drive here. All right. Always paying attention, guys. Good. Moving one lane over, we signal the lane back because the traffic lane is clear now. Cars on the one should not be turning the car that direction, you know? So lane changes. The light is in my favor. You stop when you can see the tire of the car, the crosswalk. Right shoulder right. See, this guy is going over the shoulder too. Not even look though. Okay? It's not even looking, because if he was looking, he would have seen me. Coming back to my lane. 2-lane traffic, still then keep to the right, signal the attention, mirror right, shoulder right, move to the right side. If we met for the first time, my name is Ben. I'm one of the instructors at Pierre Driving School. In this channel, we do everything driving. So if you are new here, consider to subscribe and hit the bell notification subscribe. So each time we drop a video, you'll be the first one to be notified. If you want us to cover something for you in particular as you relate to driving, put in the comment below. That's where we have most of our video topic coming from. All right, we are in Brooklyn, New York here, doing lefts and right on Remsen Avenue. Going out to pick up a student. We are posted in this channel here every 3 times a week, every Monday, Wednesdays, and Friday. Monday, Wednesdays, and Friday, and we do everything driving. Go back to my right, man. Purpose of the road test, student always keep the right side of the road. All right, shoulder right, make the turn and fall to the closest lane we turn to. Continue to drive from here. Traffic light coming up, we're making a right turn. Light is in my favor because it's just begin to blink as I'm approaching halfway of the street. Otherwise I would have been slowing down. Meanwhile, I shoulder and make the turn because for the purpose of the road test, yellow light is not for student. Left shoulder left, pulling over right over here on the left side. I'll go reverse. Alright folks, there you have it. It's been with Pierre Driving School. Like, share, and subscribe. Until then, keep practicing folks. Take care now. Bye-bye.